Let me show you the second step of our estimation workflow inside our Costimator app. This is going to be again a two-step process. One will be about adding DSR items to our estimate, and the second will be about deleting DSR items from our estimate. Let me show you the first of it, that is adding items to your DSR estimate. So here I'm inside the second step of the estimation workflow, which is going to be about selecting the items. Now, as I said, it involves two steps, adding and deleting. We are going to be talking about adding. Now, when we talk about adding, we need to understand what DSR items we are trying to find out. So the step one of it is going to be finding the DSR items itself, and the second will be selecting the DSR items. Now, finding DSR items has been given in two ways. So you can do it in two ways. One is by filtering and then scrolling through the list to find your relevant DSR item. And the second is a quick search option which you can use. I'll be showing you both of them. And the second step is selecting the DSR item which you have found out through the first step of either filtering and scrolling or a direct search. So let's jump inside the estimate. So this is a trial project which I have created, a trial estimate. I'll be showing you both the steps. The first step of filtering and scrolling can be accessed from right here at the top right menu. This is a toggle data area. So if you can see, we have an arrow right here at the right end. If I just click on it, this entire selection of subhead opens. So you can see all the subheads inside this option right here. So for example, if you wanted to go through, say, the RCC, that is the reinforced cement concrete options, you can just simply select this option and the entire list of this subhead will be open. So now you can simply scroll through it, find and select whichever items you want. So once you select any item, you can see it is getting added right here in the right data area. I'll just toggle this off. Now this selected data DSR items data area shows you in a very quick snapshot as to which subhead you have selected and which items inside that subhead you have selected. So for example, you can see I have simply selected 591, 592 and so on. So you can keep adding it. And in order to select any item, all you have to do is click anywhere inside the item. No need to just click on the checkbox. You can click anywhere on the item and you'll be able to select that item. So you can do it from right here and you can do it from right here. It works the same. If you click on it again, the checkbox will disappear and the item will also disappear. So for example, I'll do it for 596 again. If I just click on it, you can see the 596 disappears from here as well. So you can keep doing that for different subheads. So let's go to a new subhead. For example, masonry. I'll simply toggle this again and let's select different items. Let's do it for other items as well. Let's do it for, say, stonework. I'll keep adding some random items. You, of course, will have to find out your own required items and add it from there. Let's do a few more quickly. So as you can see, I've added a lot many items. So that is all about selecting items through the subhead and then scrolling through the list to find out your required item. Now, if you do not know what item you're looking for, you can simply do a quick item search for it. You can search by code, by description, by unit, and even by rate. So you can just plug in any rate. So if you remember the rate, you can simply plug that in also to find out the item. So what I'll do is try to find out, say, this item, banking excavated earth. So I'll just type in banking excavated earth. You can see I just get this option 2.3. So I can go ahead and select this from this list here. And if I wanted to select some more from here, I can do it from there. Once you're done with the search part, you can either click on this close button right here, or you can click on this clear search results to get back to your selection by subhead. Now the search also works very simply. So for example, if I wanted to search a special item, so let's search for 20.5.2 item, you can either hit enter or you can click on this search button. Both of them work the same. So if I'll just hit enter, the search will run through and will find out the exact item I'm looking for. So this is going to be 20.5.2. Again, I can click anywhere on this entire item to select it. I can even click at the end of it to select it. And if I just go down, you can see inside the pile work, this 20.5.2 has been added. So this was all about adding items. Again, you can find the items by either filtering and then scrolling, or you can do a simple search. And after you have found out the item, you can just click on it anywhere to select the DSR item.